How to fix Telegram people nearby not showing. So recently, if you're using Telegram and you have noticed the people nearby is not showing on your application, well, in this video I will exactly explain to you why. If you navigate through your Telegram application and inside, if we then go ahead and click on our contacts, previously we can then go ahead and see the people nearby feature on this section or tab right here. But recently, unfortunately, Telegram has removed that specific feature. If we then navigate through the Safari right here, we can exactly know why. So, Telegram removed the people nearby feature, which was used by less than 0.1% of Telegram users, and it had a lot of issues with bots and scammers. So recently, Telegram has changed the people nearby feature to the business nearby feature, so you won't be able to use that feature anymore on upcoming newer versions of Telegram. So if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time. Thank you.